We're going to unbox the neon sign, show you how nicely it comes packaged from the company. Protected by bubble wrap and then cellophane to protect the acrylic. An instruction guide, 2 adhesive hooks, chain to hang, anchors and screws, 59 inches of a USB cord and an on and off switch to light your neon soft and acrylic sign. The sign measures from the table 11.5 inches by 17 inches in width. Located on each of the sides will be your keyholes to put your chain and hooks on. 3 different colors on the acrylic see-through. The standard chain measures 3 feet, divide in half, hang on the hook, your sign. The hook goes to the eyes, and the sign could be hung like so. Hooking up via a power station, a USB charging port from a laptop or wall charger. Turn on the light, lights up. It is very well lit, very bright, with the words VIP Lounge. As we have the light lit up, you can see the words blue, white, and hot pink. Hang it anywhere imaginable. A kid's room, a man cave, your studio. Party around outside, indoors, wherever you want to hang the light. Check online about your product and the description of the design you are after. The VIP Lounge. The sign, well lit, nicely introduced. Come on down. Easy to operate, stays in a nice warm touch. It is a light that you can hang up anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your VIP Lounge neon sign acrylic to be hung up on the wall, anywhere you want to put your sign for your needs. Enjoy your lighting sign. Thank you for viewing.